This is a roller axis load test. I have a 33 kilo Smith's anvil attached with an offset center of gravity to the axis plate of this roller bearing suspended axis. I have 2 bearings on top and 4 on each side of the plate, 2 on the bottom. The pinion size we use here is 60mm effective diameter and 6 teeth, so 60mm per revolution. I have attached a measurement clock here and a preset that I can move the axis 1mm if you follow along on the indicator dial here. Moving 1mm. This is hundredths of a millimeter. And if I touch the desk, it will also move like a hundredth of a millimeter or so. So taking another millimeter forward. If I now reverse the direction, we should see some backlash losses. Something like 2/100ths of a millimeter lost travel in backlash. Take another step backwards. And another step. Reversing the direction again. And keeping going in that direction. As you can see, we have tolerance of something like 3/100ths of a millimeter when changing directions, and potentially even less than that when moving in one direction. I'm moving the axis very slowly now for the benefit of the dial clock here, but this should be consistent with larger motions as well, since the rack and pinion position is static on the axis.